Welcome to Raj classes. Those who are watching our videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Today we will discuss how to convert fractional decimal to hexadecimal. Fractional decimal to hexadecimal. Let us take one example. 17.5 base 10. Base 10 means decimal. How to convert this decimal to hexadecimal? Now see, just remember, divide the number means this decimal number, to integral part and fractional part. Clear? Next, what convert each part to hexadecimal. Clear? Then third, combine both the parts to get the result. Clear? Now see, 17.5 base 10. 17.5 base 10. I can write this as 17 plus 0.5 base 10. Clear? Now you know how to convert this integral 17 to hexadecimal. You know, we have to divide 17 by 16. Clear? Then this will be 16 ones are 16. This will be remainder 1. Then again divide by 16. This will be 0 and the remainder is 1. For result, we have to travel. We have to write the reminders from bottom to top. Then 17 base 10 will be 1 base 16. Clear? Then come to fractional part. For fractional part, you remember, multiply the fractional part with 16. Why 16? Because we are converting to hexadecimal until it become 0. Then second, keep track of integral parts. Keep track of integral parts. Then third point, if the fractional part will not zero and continue to infinity times. If it will not zero and continue to infinite times, then stop multiplication when repetition comes, or stop after certain steps. for result, write the integral part from top to bottom, bottom. From top to bottom. Now come to the fractional part. We have to multiply the fractional part. This is a fractional part, 0.5. We have to multiply with 16. Multiply the fractional part with 16. Now multiply, this will be 8.0. Now see, this is the integral part. Now see the fractional part. Now the fractional part becomes 0. So we need not have to multiply again. Clear? So this will be the result. Now write the result for what? 0.5 base 10. This will be equal to 0.8. 0.8 base 16. Clear? Now third point. See the third point? Combine both the parts to get the result. Now see, this is 17 is 11 base 16. So for 17 this is 11, and for 0.5 this is 0.8 base 16. Clear? This will be 11.8 base 16. This 11.8 is the hexadecimal value for 17.5 base 10. All of you understood? Clear? Now come to another example. 93.025 base 10 converted to hexadecimal. Clear? 93.025 base 10 converted to hexadecimal. I can write it 93.025 base 10. This is equal to what? 93 plus 0.025 base 10. Clear? Now convert 93 to hexadecimal. We have to what? Divide 93 by 16. Now divide. This will be 16 5s are 80, and result will be 13. Remainder part will be 13. Now again divide by 16. This will be 0, and the remainder will be 5. To get the result, we have to travel from bottom to top. I have already told that for 10 in hexadecimal, for 10 we have to use capital A. For 11 we have to use capital B. For 12 we have to use capital C. For 13 we have to use capital D. So for 13 here we have to use what? Capital B. Clear? For similarly for 14 capital E. For 15 capital F. Clear? This will be capital D. Now 93 base 10 will be what? This will be 5 and D. This will be 5D. Base what? 16. Base 16. Come to fractional part. Multiply the fractional part with the 16. Now multiply 0.025. This is 0.025 into 16. 0.025 into 16. This will be what? 16 into 5. This is 80. 16 into 2. 32. This is 8. 40. And the integral part, just see, after one multiplication, just see the integral part, this is 0. We have to keep that. Again, multiply by 6. 16. Multiply by 16. Clear? This will be what? 6.4. Clear? See the integral part. Clear? Again multiply with 16. We have to multiply only with the fractional part, not with the integral part. We have to multiply 16 with the fractional part only, not with the integral part. So if again we will multiply, this will be again 6.4. See the integral part. This process will continue. Clear? So if the fractional part will not zero and continue to infinite times, then stop the multiplication. When the repetition comes, here repetition is coming, we have to stop. Otherwise, stop after the certain steps. Here, after 3 steps, I can stop. Clear? What will the result for 0 point per point? What? 0 to 5 base 10. The result will be what? 0.06, 0.066. Because we have to travel from top to bottom. I have already told. We have to travel to get the result. We have to travel from top to bottom. From top to bottom. 066. 066. This is base 16. Clear? Then come to third point. Come to third point. Combine both the parts to get the result. Combine both the parts to get the result. This is 93.025 base 10. This was the question. Now see, for 93, what is the result? This is 5D. 5D plus. For 0.025, what is the result? 0.066. This is 0.066. This is base 16. All of you clear? This will be equal to what? Now 5D 0.066 base 16. Clear? This is the hexadecimal value for 93.025 base 10. Understood? This is the process how to convert fractional decimal to hexadecimal. Today we'll stop here, and in next video we'll discuss more about the conversion process. Thank you.